another DIY. Today, I'm going to be making some faux ceramic vases, vases, whatever you want to call it. And I've seen this going around on TikTok. I've seen this going around on YouTube, and I think it matches my home, and I just really want to do it. So I actually went out to the thrift store and found different kinds of vases. I found this very cute circular one. It's kind of like fishbowl vibes. I've also found this really nice, like, reminds me of like a bong or something. Well, this is like science glass, kind of. I feel like at one point in time this had to be a very popular kind of vase to put something in, because I've seen just about everybody on YouTube and TikTok do a vase that was like this. All of these were under $5. I absolutely love this one right here. It's very different, of course, typical vase. I have this like frosted Patron looking bottle one, and I did wash all of these in bleach. And then I have me like a little Don Julio. I think this part up here is really unique. This was probably, oh no, this and the like science bowl one was the most expensive. They were $5. So I'm gonna start by taking off some of the tags, and then we're gonna get to mixing in what we need, which all you need is a baking soda and paint.
10 seconds later.
I have a couple of bowls and a couple of plates. And I have my baking soda that I got from the dollar store. So this was basically about $20 for me for 6 different vases. And I already had all the paints. So what am I doing? Now, I don't know how much of anything that you are supposed to be using. I guess we're just gonna eyeball everything. I have seen a lot of people who tried this DIY project. They use different kinds of things like cornstarch and baking powder, I think. No, this is baking powder. Or this is baking soda. What the fuck? What is this? Baking soda? I hope they use baking soda. Did they use baking soda? Okay, so I'm just pouring some in here. I hope that's enough to make it clunky. I think I'm gonna start with this khaki color. I actually have a lot of different paints here, you guys. Like, this is only half. Okay, what am I about to do? Just dump the whole thing. Just dump the whole thing. Ooh, my white table. Should have put something down. I'm trying to dump out all that I can get out up here. This is pretty much what I got. And this is what it's giving. Definitely a lot of baking soda is in here, but it's mixing together well and getting nice and clumpy and toothpaste alike, which is what we want. Wow, that amount of paint to that amount of baking soda was actually, I think I'm gonna throw in maybe a little bit of this sun-kissed peach that I have. These are only like 50 cents from Walmart, guys. Just to spread it, because I really want to make sure that I get the whole thing covered. Oh, that's definitely adding some. Maybe I'll add a dash of brown into that as well, just cause. But I'm gonna add some more baking soda too, because I think that's gonna be a little bit too liquidy. I really wanna try this one. All right, let's work some magic now. Let's work some more magic. All right. What? Okay, maybe that was too clumpy. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, we're just spreading it around. So I'm gonna add some more paint because maybe I overdid it with the baking soda.
10 seconds later.
So let's see All right, we got a nice little consistency here now. So let's see what we can work out. Okay, maybe we just need to do 2 coats, like. Maybe I should change from a sponge. I don't think I've seen anybody really do it with a sponge, but I only have one brush. Okay. Now this is a big baby. This is a big brush.
Dirty, can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, Zamara, West Coast, dirty side, dirty, can y'all really feel me? I got to figure.
I don't really know what's going on here, but I didn't. Okay, all right, here we go.
Okay.
Whatever I did right there, I need to keep doing. We got something.
Got it.
Yes. Okay, so once it starts kind of drying down a little bit, you can kind of like, drag the paint a little bit more, and it actually kind of like stays in place. And with the little like brush strokes, it definitely is starting to look like, you know, that clay pot. Did you guys ever have like did you ever make pottery in your art class? I did in middle school. So if my middle school had pottery, baby, that's pretty much like Crenshaw Heights. I know y'all's middle school had to have it, because ain't no way we have no damn pottery in no damn Crenshaw Heights. Okay, I need to figure out how to get the bottom of the bowl with it being on this bag like this. Okay, let me focus some more on the top. Let's scooch you back some. Scooch a little bit back. So basically, so far we know that this brush is key, and you can slap some up there like this, but you gotta let it dry just a little bit before you start dragging it around, because it has to, like, I guess kind of dry down a little bit and stick a little bit more before we can really swirl it and actually cover up, you know, the glass. I'm also gonna do the inside so that we look expensive. Maybe I should do a little bit more of the inside with this color. Yeah, baby. Groovy, baby. Groovy. Still might need to do 2 coats though. All right, I'm gonna give her a break, and I'm gonna do another one this same color while I still have so much paint to work with, and let her dry down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get more of the bottom. She's not really giving us the smoothest pottery in the bunch, but maybe we'll get a little bit better on our second go around. Now I'm gonna do another small one. This color, just because I only have a little bit of this paint color left, and I don't want to do all of them the same color and bore you guys. So let's just do Miss Patron. Yeah, these are giving me very much you tried it. Like, this is your first pottery class ever. I know the answer is in front of me, but when you think you're in love, you only see what you want
the sea. And all I see is me for you and you for me.
Oh, I like this one. It's giving very much so rustic chic. Yes. All right, let's get the little booty hole. Okay, it's still giving beginner friendly, but I like you. Let me see if I can fix her up a little bit more since we got it now. Okay. You get a little bit more of those chunky bits when it starts to dry, but that's okay because I feel like it adds a little bit more texture. Fun, and let's switch colors. So I'm gonna clean my brush off. This is the only brush that I have like this actually, and I'm only using things that I already have at home besides the vases for this project. So I'll be back. This is it's called like Black Magic or something. Yep, Black Magic from Valspar, Home Depot or whatnot. Okay, what are we doing with these crack rocks? Guys, I forgot how freaking fast these freaking cameras die, and I'm working with 2 at a time, so I'm trying to give you guys some good content. As you see, I've done one blacky kind of purpley piece, and I guess because it was watery, even though I added more baking soda, it kind of just didn't really want to give me any brush strokes. So now that it's dry just a little bit, I'm gonna give it some brush strokes. But I pretty much did the same process, you guys. I know it sucks when you don't see it, but you know how that goes. I think we should do the Don Julio black as well. Now this is a long one. This one's a long one. Maybe I'll do this and then I'll just go back. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Oh yes, I'm gonna do this. Yes, give it to me. Do y'all see? Y'all can't really see the texture with this camera. I'm gonna go back over it because this is my old camera that y'all are getting the close-up on. Like, y'all have to see this. Like, hold on, y'all have to see this. I don't know if y'all can see the texture, but y'all can't see the texture, but it's giving so much. Let's work on our last color. Now this is from Walmart. This doesn't have the name of the color on it. I have no idea what color I picked out, but as you see, this is the color. All right, that was too much. That was too much. That was too much, Tia. All right, let's add some more baking soda. Thicken that bad boy up. We only got about a quarter. Why do I keep inhaling it? We only have about a quarter of a box left of baking powder, baking soda. I think I was supposed to get baking powder. I don't know. Still lost on that. But let's mix up this orange. Yeah, I think it's best to probably use acrylic paints like from Walmart instead of like household paint. I'm actually just gonna add some of this spiced berry acrylic paint in. give us? What you gonna give us, Big Mama? You gonna give us a hard time? All right, this is actually a cute color. Okay, yeah. Like, this is so annoying now. This isn't fun anymore. This is so annoying now. This is gonna be my last one, y'all. Because I don't like this anymore. All right, you guys, so this is how they turned out. Going into this, I did imagine them coming out a lot more smoother. However, I absolutely love the texturedness of them. I feel like that is what gives them each their character. Now, I do see the imperfections in some of them where I missed a spot or 2 or 3 with the paint, but I'll probably go back in the future and fill those in whenever I get a chance. Now, I don't plan on using all of these, but I will tell you guys what you guys can do with them if you find shapes similar. With this, you can just find some flowers, cut the stems really short so that they just puff out at the top. This and the next piece is definitely a standalone piece. Really, the rest of the pieces are like standalone pieces because they're just so unique and different. You can put them on top of books, next to books, rearrange them all around books with some wooden beads. That'll definitely create a vibe. I actually just decided to group them all together because I thought that the shapes were so unique and the colors looked so great next to each other. I may go in with some terracotta spray paint and do the Patron bottle over just so that, you know, it can bring in the vibe with my living room. But I absolutely love these, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's DIY project. I absolutely love my new pieces. I think that they're going to go so well with my textured canvas wall art. They definitely are giving me minimalist vibes and very much so textured vibes, and that's like my vibe. So I'm absolutely in love. I'm pretty sure if I would have used more brushes, like the haired brushes, use different sizes and use better paint and the right amount of baking soda, had the right ratio, or actually took more time to put in the right ratio, I could have came out with, you know, more smoother pieces. So if that's something that you're looking for, I definitely would, you know, look for one of those videos and follow their direct instructions. But I usually like to see something and then just do my own kind of thing based off of that and end up with whatever I end up with. And usually what I end up with is fire. So if you like this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think down in the comment section below. You got 24 seconds.